In 2023, while camping at the Traverse City KOA, we got to have a special tour with the Alto F1723. This camper is an all aluminum frame with walls and floor, but it also is under 2,000 pounds, so you can almost tow it with anything. It comes with a toilet shower compartment, and it even comes with a model with a bunk, so you can fit 4. So let's check it out. Alright, I'm very excited about this. So there's a camper that I really love, but it's all the way in Canada in order for you to get it. So I want to show it to you. It's called an Alto, and it's very unique. The roof raises up inside of the R-Pod type style teardrop. Inside of the teardrop. Are you excited?
Yeah, me too. I'm excited too.
Yeah, there we go.
Yes. Because I'm like, where are you going? Oh, this one. Oh.
You came back for a tour. This is my husband right now.
Hello, how you doing?
This is Keith and I'm Kim.
Yeah.
Hey, nice to meet you.
We're from Byron Center.
Oh, all right.
I'm from originally from Grand Rapids.
Oh, okay.
Really? What part?
Well, we grew up all over, but mostly Wyoming.
Oh, okay.
Like right by Byron
Yeah,
Center.
right by Byron Center.
Yeah, yep. So I went to school in Ohio and then just stayed down there. And
Got married to me.
yeah.
we had 2 kids.
Thankfully, he's not an Ohio State fan.
No, I am an Ohio State fan.
Oh, you're like a cousin. And they live in Wyoming too. Woo, I'm so excited.
Anybody but Michigan.
Uh-oh.
They could be playing Borculo or
You know what? They're
whatever.
gonna
They could be
love
playing Byron Center Tech.
Yeah.
Go on in. Watch your head
These
though.
are windows?
Yep. No, that's the part that goes up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, she said that they like made this
Oh, okay.
It's on this side.
because the awning was like I think it was like $500.
Oh, yeah.
So they like legit made this, got the stuff to
Yeah.
put all this on here.
Okay.
Look
Nice.
at the coffee. They got the coffee set up,
Mhm.
power.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is nice. Babe, we should be able to get one of these. So what made you like pick this one? Like going through Canada to get this?
No, so Keith was on the internet forever looking up something because I didn't want another truck. We had a truck, we had a 5th wheel, we had all that stuff. I don't want a truck. What do we got?
You got a truck.
Because you got to get it and put miles on it before you tow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Mm-hmm.
that was the time everybody was buying all the used stuff up. There was no used stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And the used stuff was more expensive than the new stuff. It was crazy.
Yep.
People were nuts. We went and looked at, I don't even know, in Kalamazoo we went and looked at something. There you go, you got them now. Come on,
Nice.
you can see now. There is not much to see. It's not huge.
Actually, it's bigger than what I thought it was.
So,
Because you just put these
yeah.
together, right?
Yeah.
So-
this makes
And this
one
is the
big bed.
bathroom.
so this is a king size bed.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
So,
And the kids
it's
could be over here.
They just have wood on the back, so they just slip down here.
And it's firm.
Okay.
Oh, it's very
out.
firm.
I'm sorry. I'm
So,
in the way.
no, you're fine. And then the blackout curtains, they all go to the center.
Okay.
Yeah, that is like
Side
This is
window
nice.
here.
I tried to tell you, baby.
There's a,
It does get hot in here though.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Oh,
automatic.
it's not like a real air conditioner, it's just a
So
fan.
it's,
You-
yeah.
You can get air conditioner. We didn't.
Yeah.
That's my bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, at least,
We're
I
not
mean,
gonna
the
talk
season, it's
about it.
Michigan. So, I mean, it's not.
So they're all windows all the way around.
Yeah.
Nice. This
I
is
love that.
This is nice.
It is. And then this is
what
a
you need right
privacy
here.
curtain that we can pull across teeth.
For the
Mm.
kids. Well, for us, for kids. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then in here, I mean, it doesn't look
Hold
like
on, is this a dishwasher?
No, that's
Yeah.
the refrigerator.
I'm like, wait, what?
Refrigerator.
Yeah.
So
Refrigerator.
these all pull out,
What?
and you can put all your
Oh,
your
yeah.
supplies in there.
That's neat.
Yeah.
This is like really everything you need.
It is.
Exactly.
It sure is.
This is our stove.
Yeah, smooth cooktop. Oh, okay, no, that's a cupboard.
So
Yeah.
it's 2-burner stove.
Boy, that's
Yeah.
a clean stove right here.
Yeah, I don't cook. I'm on vacation, man.
That's right. That's right.
Right here.
I'm on vacation. And then this is supposed to be your spice rack. But it ends up being vitamins and electronics.
Yeah.
That turns into a bed.
Yep. And they have the other model is bunks.
Have a bunk
Yes, you can put a bunk. Then you miss your front window goes away.
Yeah. I'd rather have the front window.
Yeah.
And this, the cool thing about this, I'm going to show you because it's really kind of cool, is that's the shade, but you can undo this.
Put the window down, or you can do that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And that's the... So at night, when we close everything up, it is dark in here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, we like it. And then there's that little port window over here,
Yeah,
too.
this is a lot of windows.
It is.
A lot of windows.
And this would be enough for the girls, like, because they're tiny.
And seriously,
11 and 6.
yeah.
So they're
And you saw the
itty bitty
toilet.
for- Yeah.
But there's a ton of storage in here.
Back in the...
It comes with a
Get your toilet.
little washer thing to, in case you get
Look at all
stuck.
these shelves in here.
Yeah.
This is like I guess they're gonna max out the minimum amount of storage you're gonna get. Like they're not gonna give you a lot, but whatever you do have.
There's more than what I thought it would be for being
A lot more.
This is a king size bed. I wouldn't even have thought it would have been a king size bed in here.
This is a king size comforter that's all the way over.
And you can stand up in here like you're not getting this in our pod.
Yeah, no.
just not.
No.
Well, we looked at those, and I said to Keith, I am not diving into bed.
Right.
Basically, all that
Exactly what I said.
Yeah. Man, I love it. We need to go to Canada, eh?
is. We call it sight unseen.
Yeah.
So you had to wait for like 2 years?
Storage here, too.
Oh, you waited 2 years to get it.
Storage
Okay.
here.
See, it
All the way back.
that roof goes all the way down to the silver part.
Yeah. Oh, all the way down. It goes down.
It allows you all that space.
Oh,
And you
okay.
can still walk in there and, I mean, you can't stand up,
Yeah.
but you can still walk in there and get stuff done with the
Put it
roof
down. Yeah.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So how much does it weigh?
1,800 pounds.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Dirt. Yeah.
Wow. Any
That's the
SUV.
Odyssey right
yeah,
there.
any SUV will pull it.
Well, they tow it with their electric vehicles, all those people do.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
yeah.
you got to remember, in Canada, for some odd reasons,
Their roads.
their roads are just like glass.
Mm.
Our salesperson, when we came to pick it up, he goes, yeah, used to be you had to drop the bike rack to open the front window, but you don't have to no more.
Yeah, that's nice.
And that's a big window.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's an outdoor shower.
Oh, you get an outdoor shower too? Awesome.
Oh yeah.
And it's a pinkless water heater, so the water's hot right away.
Awesome.
Yeah,
This is awesome.
it is pretty cool.
That's your tank. Yep, you can flash whatever you want.
Yeah, we got cable and we
Is it
got
30 amp or 20? 30.
30.
30. It's yeah.
Yeah.
That's 30. I was thinking.
And then we
no,
got the
that's 30.
cable,
It's 30.
Wi-Fi booster, and all that jazz up top. So,
That is a nice. Hey, you gotta get that.
Let me see.
No wonder why we don't have signal. We need to get that.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that antenna. Yeah.
That's outer space.
This is
right
nice.
there. Yeah, and then
You just made my wife's day. I just want to let you know that because she
because you came over, she wanted to see it, but
Yes.
without you.
yes, because she had been talking about this thing.
And we have the people mover.
Yeah.
It's a remote control. You
yeah.
park
What is it?
it moves the
One little roller
caravan
go right
mover.
on the tire.
Oh, okay.
You could.
To get over here, you can see that they grip the tire,
They'll come
and then
right.
we have a wheel that goes in the front. You just got a
You can run
remote.
over it. You ain't got to back it up.
Okay.
You remote it right up to the truck.
Wow, that's neat. That's crazy.
These people, they get in there. You can pirouette it. I want my door on the other
Wow.
side.
Yeah, they just turn it around.
Yeah, that's neat.
It is pretty cool.
Wow. I love it.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
so thrilled.
something. Yeah, that's
I'm
something
like
you
tickled
and
in
the
the
kids can use. Yeah.
I saw this
I know.
online and I was like, this is it.
Well, we were just so totally. And then they bolt the battery right in there.
Oh my.
So.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
We
this is
really
awesome.
appreciate this because
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
we have what is ours, a 30, 40 foot,
Yeah.
and she always talks about going camping without me sometimes, and this is
This
something
you
she
could.
yes
Yeah.
definitely
Supposed to
could.
hand out postcards.
I got them.
I love it.
Oh, salesman.
Yeah. You're going to thank me, you got them.
Awesome.
This is amazing.
Yes, yes.
And this is real creative too.
Mm-hmm.
To get you what you need.
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
Love it. Yeah, I'd be up, man. I'm smooth sailing. Have the toilet.
That's all you need, huh?
Middle of the night bathroom trip.
Yeah,
with
right.
The kids.
Right.
It's like we tent camped a couple times this year because we had a fridge issue. It's a brand new camper. We lost it for 2 months and they still haven't fixed it. Like, we're just gonna take it back for now until you figure out.
So you figure what's going
All
on.
it is their YouTube thing. And
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm on here.
yeah.
And oh, they even have a van.
Well, they
vans, too.
that company started out doing vans,
Okay.
customizing vans.
Okay.
That's all they did. And they do Airstreams too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where
And
we
then-
bought it from.
Yeah.
In London. We had a travel trailer, and that was all right. And then you needed, we had a half-ton truck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then we went to fifth wheel.
Mm.
That was a 3/4 ton.
Mhm.
I can't imagine how much them cost now.
Yeah,
Oh,
right.
$90,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Lord.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Brand new. Yeah. Brand
Well,
new.
Most of
And
half
I
the
wanted a
house.
vehicle that we could, because we've got one child who's married and's got two kids. So I wanted
grandkids.
something that could
Yeah.
transfer all of us in the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the price of that's $100,000.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
much
Keith
for
goes,
that.
this truck's less than that, about half price. I'm like, okay, we'll get a truck. It's a little truck. It's not a big one. It's okay.
Yeah.
This will fit in your garage. We did have it in our garage.
have it
we
in
live
our
in a
garage.
condo.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Mm.
But you have to let the air out of the tires.
Yeah.
And that's
Oh,
basically
okay.
because of the fan on the top
Yeah.
was the biggest
It
problem.
will go in.
Yeah. We couldn't get under a bridge coming up here from Ohio.
We don't have to worry about
And I'm
that.
like,
Mm-hmm. Yep. You don't have to worry about that. Yep.
He said it's like towing nothing
Yep.
when we tow.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have to worry about where we got to go to the gas station. We don't have to worry about
my
where can we
anxiety.
park to eat. We don't have to worry about. We've been there, done that. All
Yeah,
our friends
see?
have those
Yeah.
fifth wheels that are way tall. You
Like
know,
a
oh, I
size.
can't go to that
Yeah.
gas station.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, because we don't have a diesel truck.
Yeah.
And so we're in the regular gas station with
Yeah.
everybody else. And that's my anxiety.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even we went to Sam's and we were hooked up. And he goes, I'm so glad I don't have the other trailer. Them people are, you know, you're like this. And
Yeah.
you got to get between all of them. And boom, we just
Yeah.
went.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
It
the
was
benefit of
nice.
it. Benefit of it.
Whereabouts in Ohio?
We're in Dayton.
Mm-hmm.
Dayton.
So like
Cincinnati.
Yeah, before Cincinnati. Yeah.
We'll be down there 2 weeks from now, Kings Island.
Yep. Yep. That's
It's
that's
like
that
We
that
have
is-
missiles
yep.
and passes to Cedar Point.
Yeah,
Cool.
thank you guys.
My dad.
Yeah, we appreciate it. You just,
Oh,
you just
you're
made
so
her. You just made her day. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You made her day.
I need this, babe.
You got to be organized, but we're getting it, you know.